So like in Pakistan, people literally think that Turkey is their brother country. So what about Turkish people? Do they also have like these kind of feelings about Pakistan? The Turkish dramas are very, very popular in Pakistan.
I know.
You know Mera Sultan, my king.
Oh yeah, I know.
Oh my.
We call it differently, but like Magnificent Century.
Magnificent Century.
Yeah.
In Lahore, so we have this metro, the bus, and the Turkish government made it. So
Oh,
all these buses you could see like Turkish flag and Pakistani flag. So it's very beautiful sight.
that's
So
nice.
guys, if you are from Lahore, do comment like if you have taken the Lahore metro, and if you know like Turkish flags are everywhere, do comment. So I'm gonna show you some of the actors,
Okay.
male actors in Pakistan, and then I'm gonna show you later on some female actresses. So you have to choose like which of the actor is most handsome. Okay. How you call prayer?
Namaz.
Namaz.
Yeah.
How you would call prophet?
Peygamber.
Peygamber is also again. How would you call fresh? Like something is very fresh. Fresh vegetable.
Taze.
Taza. So in Urdu it's also same. Taza.
Okay, I forgot Turkish. Thank you for loving Turkey so much. I hope you can all visit Turkey someday, and I would love to visit Pakistan someday and someday soon.
Hi everyone. Right now I'm with one of my very inspiring friend and very beautiful also. She's all the way from Turkey and her name is Fatima Betul. So Fatma, would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay. I am Betul from Turkey. I've been living in Korea for almost 8 years now. I am
Yeah, I'm sorry. Your name is Betul or Fatma?
Fatma Betul. I have two names, but my family calls me Betul, so I'm most used to that. I cannot even pronounce my name right now.
Betul.
It's Betul.
And how Koreans pronounce your name?
They say Betul.
In Korean they have this problem with f, so maybe they were like Fatima.
Yeah, in college they used to call me Fatma.
Betul, like which part of Turkey are you from?
I'm from Istanbul, born and raised.
When I or maybe most of the people when they hear about Istanbul, like they start feeling happy. Like it's kind of a dream for them to go to Istanbul. It's one of the very, very beautiful cities in the whole world.
Yes, Istanbul is really beautiful, like meeting point of Asia and Europe. You have the like two seas and a huge pretty Bosphorus. And yeah, I really like the fact that I was born and raised there in my home.
When did you come to Korea? How long have you been?
I came to Korea in 2012.
Let me tell you a story before we start asking different questions from Betul. So like the first person I was really inspired by any foreigner in Korea was Betul. So it was like my first week I came to Seoul. I was going on a street in Itaewon and she was doing some program K-Smile.
Yeah.
And she was giving some gifts about some souvenirs and she was speaking so good Korean and I was like, gosh, I really want someday I could speak like Betul, and I was so inspired by her. Her Korean is amazing. So would you like to introduce something?
Am I blushing already? Like, that was a lot of compliments. Thank you.
Would you like to introduce yourself in Korean a little bit? People would like to listen your
Oh my
Korean
god,
also.
yeah. All my friends and family, they always ask me like, speak Korean, speak Korean. Okay. 안녕하세요. 저는 터키에서 온 베툴이라고 합니다.
아이고. So literally, like if you are not seeing Betul and if you just listen her Korean, I feel like I just think it's some Korean girl speaking. The Turkish dramas are very, very popular in Pakistan.
Yeah, I know.
You know Mera Sultan, my king.
Oh yeah, I know.
Oh my.
We call it differently, but like Magnificent Century.
Magnificent Century.
Yeah.
And the lady, the main actress, her name was I forgot. Mariam.
Yeah.
Mariam Ulzi.
Uzerli.
Yeah, she's very, very pretty, and in Pakistan people love her so much.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So like in Pakistan, people literally think that Turkey is their brother country. They really, really love Turkey a lot. And because in Pakistan a few years ago there was a very big earthquake,
Yeah,
and
I
and
remember
Turkish
that.
people were the ones to first come to Pakistan to
Yes,
help
yes.
and rescue the people.
Yeah, I
So
remember
people have and they literally think they are like their brother country.
Mm-hmm.
So what about Turkish people? Do they also have like these kind of feelings about Pakistan?
I think so. Yes, most of Turkish people, especially like middle-aged and older generation, they think Pakistan is the number one brother country in Turkey. Younger generation right now, because of K-pop, it's like changing a bit. But like, if you ask Turkish people, like, what is the brother country to you, they would say Pakistan.
So guys, I'm gonna show you a video. So there's a Korean guy. Koreans also, by the way, think like that Turkey is their brother country. So one Korean guy, he went to Turkey and like he was asking people like who is the who's the Turkey's brother country, and most of the people were saying like Pakistan. So I was really inspired. So I'm gonna play that video right now here.
Which country is your brother country?
Our brother country first, Pakistan. No, wait, you have more time.
So Betul, so you watched the video like how Turkish people really feel about Pakistan.
You know, when I first came to Korea, I would go home and like talk to my family, and like they would ask the same thing: why do you go to Korea? Why do you like it there? I would say like Korea is our brother country. You know, they think of us as brothers. But they would say like, no, Pakistan is our brother country.
Pakistan, everyone know. People don't know, the president of Korea. People would not know the president of, let's say, Japan or like UK or some other countries, Germany. But everyone knows the president of Turkey. Everyone loves him so much.
So, but I don't understand where that like brother thing comes from for with Pakistan.
So first of all, we feel like Turkey really stands for Muslims. So everything, if there is bad going on against Muslims, the Turkey is one of the countries that always stand up. So we really appreciate that one. Second thing, like in Pakistan, so they helped us a lot in the earthquake.
Yeah.
So that people really appreciate, and the bus and the Turkish government made it. So all these buses you could see like Turkish flag and Pakistani flag. So it's very beautiful sight.
That's
So
nice.
guys, if you are from Lahore, do comment like if you have taken the Lahore metro, and if you know like Turkish flags are everywhere, do comment. Okay, so
Thumbs up for
thumbs
Turkey.
up. Yeah, thumbs up for Turkey and thumbs up for Betul.
Okay.
So Betul, like overall now, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan? Like just being honest.
Oh, okay. When you say Pakistan, because like when I first came to Korea, I didn't know much about Pakistan, but my Pakistani friends, they taught me about Urdu. Not the language itself, but the word Urdu itself. So it's coming from a Turkish word, from like army.
Army.
Yeah, right.
So that's right.
So that's like the first thing that comes up to my mind. It's like Urdu. Their language is Urdu, and it comes from Turkish. So we must have a like really deep connection with Pakistan.
It's like now the topic came up, for the language. I'm gonna say some words like you should tell me in Turkish. Okay. So what is air?
Air, hava,
Same in Pakistan.
Okay.
Okay. What is garden?
garden, bahçe.
Baghicha. Okay, in Urdu it's more like baghicha. I actually wrote down some of the words. Like let me see. So Urdu and like Turkish are quite similar. And I was looking. Okay, well, how you call prayer?
Namaz.
Namaz.
Yeah.
How you would call prophet?
Peygamber.
Peygamber is also again. How would you call fresh? Like something is very fresh. Fresh vegetable.
Taze.
Taza. So in Urdu it's also same. Taza.
Okay, I forgot Turkish.
Okay. How do you say like how when you meet someone? What are the greetings? I really want to know.
It's like merhaba for hello, and nasılsın, how are you?
Nasılsın.
Yeah.
Marhaba nasılsın habibis. You have yar like
Can,
friend.
we have Can.
Can.
Yeah.
Can
Like
is
canım is like my Can.
my Can.
Yeah.
Canım. Yeah. It's in Urdu also we say Can, like hi Meri Can, like
Yeah.
Meri Can is like my love, my
Yeah, like one of my friends keeps calling me like Betul Can. I'm
Betul
like,
Can.
that's cute.
Okay, now coming back to Pakistan. So I'm gonna show you some of the actors,
Okay.
male actors in Pakistan, and then I'm gonna show you later on some female actresses. So you have to choose like which of the actor is most handsome. Okay.
Okay, that's
So right now, like she doesn't know which actor I'm talking about. That's the first time she's gonna see all the pictures.
maybe I do know.
Oh yeah, maybe you know. Okay. Have you seen any Pakistani drama, Pakistani movie?
I don't think so. I'm not sure. I've seen some Indian, but I don't think I've
really?
seen
Which one?
Pakistani. I've seen Three Idiots. That's like everyone does.
Everyone knows.
Everyone
in
knows
Korea.
that. And I watched something like Rang De Basanti.
Rang De Basanti.
Yeah.
One of the again very popular
Yeah.
movie. Okay, so the Pakistani actors first of all. This one is Fawad Khan,
Fawad Khan. Okay.
Imran Abbas. He's Hamza Abbasi,
Okay.
Fahad Mustafa, Humayun Saeed, and Ali Zafar. So I'm gonna give you some time to just look around,
Okay.
these pictures
No,
again.
I think I already know who I'm gonna choose.
Oh, really? So we had, Fawad Khan, and then we had Fahad Mustafa, Humayun Saeed, Ali Zafar.
Yeah, I think like the photographs are a bit misleading,
Abbas
but yeah, I'm choosing this guy.
Okay, Imran Abbas.
Yeah.
Guess what? Like I did that with some other girl also from Peru, and she also chose Imran Abbas.
Because he looks the neatest, I guess. Like I don't like facial hair. Okay.
Okay.
I don't like facial hair.
Okay.
So the most of them they have big beards. So.
Big beards.
And
Okay, the
this one
first
has
one
like
go-
more trimmed big beard, like beard but still trimmed. So
So it looks like Imran Abbas would be very popular among the foreigners. So first
Yeah.
one, Imran Abbas. Second one,
Okay.
let's see.
second, I think this guy
Fahad Mustafa.
kinda cute. No.
No?
Yeah, he is number 2,
Okay. So
and this is number 3.
Fawad Khan is number 3. Imran
Yeah.
Abbas, Fahad Mustafa, and Fawad Khan. How about this guy? No? Ali
No.
Zafar? Ali
No.
Zafar? No? Okay.
Uh-uh.
Humayun Said also no.
No.
Okay.
Is
Cool.
are they the most popular ones?
Like Ali Zafar is quite popular also. Ali Zafar is like he's a singer, actor at the same time. Works in Indian industry also.
Oh, okay.
Like yeah. And what about this guy? No, I don't.
No? Oh, he looks like a Turkish ajashi, you know. I'm sorry.
Turkish Ajashi means like Turkish old guy. So like Hamza Ali Bazi and the guest for like my other Peruvian friend, she also say like this guy like no.
Yeah, he looks just ordinary.
Only guy, but like he's
from the
very
streets.
popular. He's very popular. Anyways, so now let's go with the female actresses.
Okay.
Anyways, in male, the first one was Imran Abbas, second one was Fahad Mustafa, and third one was Fawad Khan. Let's go with the female ones. But so first one is Myra Khan. Second one is Sabah Kamar. Third one is Mahwish Hayat.
Okay.
Fourth is Mawra Hussain. And the last one is Sanam Baloch. So I'm gonna give you some time. Sanam Baloch, Mawra Hussain, Mahwish Hayat, and we have Sabah Kamar and Myra Khan.
Oh yeah, they all look pretty.
They all, and you know, like for Pakistanis, they believe like Turkish girls are like among the most beautiful girls.
Really?
And mashallah, they are.
But
no
Turkish
doubt.
girls are very diverse, so you can, everyone can find, someone they like among
that's
Turkish
fine.
girls.
So let's
Okay.
see which Pakistani actress is gonna come at number 1.
I think she is number 1. I like her
Guys,
eyes.
guess what? Who's gonna be? Mawra Hussain is number 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Am I supposed to pick 3?
Yeah, the first is Mawra Hussain.
Okay. I think she is number 2.
Sabah Kamar is again very pretty, very talented actress. Is Sabah Kamar is at number 2. Let's see the number 3. Who's gonna be?
I think number 3 is her.
Sanam Baloch. Oh, she's so cute
I
also.
like her cheeks.
Yeah, her
She's
cheeks are-
She's
yeah.
so elegant.
Yeah. So first one is Mawra Hussain. Second is Sabah Kamar, and third is Sanam Baloch. What about this girl, Mahwish Hayat? Is very popular.
Oh, really?
Very popular in Pakistan.
Like she's pretty, but she, I don't know.
Not cute?
No. Like, she has a screen face.
Screen face. Okay.
Like it's not very natural to me. Like lots of makeup, yeah.
So by the way, no Myra Khan also. Myra Khan, I guess again very most popular girl this one.
Really?
Yep, Myra Khan but anyways, yeah, Mawra Hussain won it. So in case in the eyes of Betul, yeah, Mawra Hussain number 1, second Sabah Kamar, and the third one was Sanam
How
Baloch.
about you? Which one is your favorite?
Okay, for me, in guys, like if I were to choose a guy, I guess like Ali Zafar, I'd go with that one, and yeah, Imran Abbas, Ali Zafar, Imran Abbas, and in girls like Mahwish Hayat, Sanam Baloch, and Sabah Kamar. I'd go with this one. Well, I'd include this girl also. There's now little bit general knowledge questions about Pakistan. Okay.
Okay.
So Betul, do you know what's the capital of Pakistan?
You have to give me clues. I think I know it, but I cannot remember right now. The only
Do
city
you
I
remember any
right
city?
now- the only city I remember right now is Lahore.
Lahore.
I know that's not the capital.
Right.
Yeah,
exactly.
that's not the
That's not the
capital,
capital,
yeah.
but like very popular.
Yeah, that's
cultural
one of the
city.
big cities, but
And
not.
I'm from Lahore, by the
Oh
way.
really? Okay.
Yeah, so
I
Lahore-
heard Lahore can get really hot in summer.
Really hot,
Yeah.
and so
But you guys have nice mangoes.
you know mangoes also.
Yeah, of course I do.
So I'm gonna. So she knows it's not Lahore. So I'm gonna give you 3 options, right?
Okay.
So first one is Islamabad. Second is
Islamabad. Okay,
Karachi.
Okay, that's it. Islamabad.
Islamabad.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, I cannot remember it, but yeah, that's it.
Okay. Do you know who's the president,
No
prime
idea.
minister of Pakistan?
No idea.
Would you ever would like to visit Pakistan?
I do actually because I have close friends in Pakistan. There was Lahore, like Lahore is the first place I want to go.
Always
Really,
welcome.
yeah.
Always
So I heard like there are like really nice gardens, like famous gardens in Lahore, and mangoes. They're my love.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Do you like Pakistani food?
really like it. I really like the naan, and
naan.
then like butter chicken.
Butter chicken also.
Yeah, butter
Do you know
chicken
chicken
is like
tikka?
yeah,
Chicken
but-
masala?
Yeah,
Biryani?
Oh my God, they're so nice. I don't like biryani.
You don't like biryani?
None of the biryani. In no part of the world.
Pakistanis
that's
love biryani a lot. It's like
I
our.
know, like most of the Muslim cultures, they love biryani, but I don't like
You
it.
don't like it. So the last thing, any message to people who are watching this video? What do you want? So most of the people would be Pakistani people. So any message from a Turkish girl to Pakistani people?
Okay, first of all, thanks for watching. Thanks for having me here. This
Thank you
is
so much for coming. Really,
yeah.
that's an honor.
This was a fun and interesting experience. And thank you for loving Turkey so much. I hope you can all visit Turkey someday, and I would love to visit Pakistan someday and someday soon, hopefully. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Betul, for
Thank you
interview.
for-
Really was
thank you
really
for
really
inviting
fun.
me.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. And I'm gonna give the Instagram of Betul in my description below, so you could just watch. And she's mashallah very popular in Korea. She has been working dramas also, right?
No, I was
not dramas, but
not
like
working.
she's appeared on Korean televisions a lot, many times. So she's mashallah very popular. So go and follow her Instagram account. And thanks again for watching. And lots of love for Pakistan, lots of love for Turkey. And how to say bye bye?
Gile gile.
Gule gule.
Yeah.
Gule gule, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.
Right now she doesn't know what actors I'm gonna show him.
Maybe I do.
Show him.
Sure.
One last one. Okay, so the first actor is this one,
Okay.
Fahad Mustafa. Then this guy is Imran
I don't
Abbas.
think that was Fahad Mustafa. Are you sure? Fahad Mustafa was the fourth one.
Fahad Mustafa is fourth one. Who is the fuck?